welcome in the video series of Mathematics class 10th. Dear students, in the previous video, we learned how to solve the quadratic equations by factorization method, then completing square method, right? In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the quadratic equation by the formula. Okay, so let's see formula. Dear students, to solve the quadratic equation by formula, the formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, this is the formula to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, now let's see how this formula came. Dear students, to understand how the formula came, now let's solve this quadratic equation which is in standard form by the completing square method. The equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so as we know that to solve the quadratic equation by completing square method, first of all we have to transfer the constant term to the RHS. So let's transfer it. Okay, so here x square plus bx, this positive c will be negative c. Okay, then we know that we have to make the coefficient of x square as a 1. Now here coefficient of x square is a, so we have to make it 1. So how we can cancel that? So that one will cancel by dividing this equation by a on both sides. So let's divide a on both sides. Okay, so here as we divide x square upon a plus b upon a x is equal to negative c upon a. Okay, now here this a will get cancelled and we will get the equation x square plus b upon a x is equal to c upon a. So this is our equation number first. Now let's find out the third term. So for that we have the formula, that is third term is equal to 1 upon 2 into coefficient of x bracket square. Okay, now here 1 upon 2 coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? That is b upon a bracket square. Okay, now here b upon 2 into a 2a bracket square, that is b square upon square of 2, that is 4a square. Okay, so this is our third term which we have to add on both sides of this equation first. Okay, so let's add this. So add b square upon 4a square on both sides of equation first. Okay, so let's add this. So our equation first is x square plus b upon a x. Okay, so we have to add this third term, that is b square plus 4a square is equal to negative c upon a plus b square upon 4a square. Okay, so in this way we added this third term on both sides. Okay, now let's write down this is the expansion of which bracket. For that we have to write the square root of first term, that is x, give the sign of middle term, that is plus, and write the square root of this third term, that is b upon 2a bracket square. Okay, is equal to, now to the RHS. To the RHS we have to add this. Okay, but here denominators are not same, so we have to make the denominator same. So that one will make it by multiplying this first term by 4a because a is here. So we need 1a and this 4. So this first term will be multiplied by 4a. Okay. So let's multiply. 4a into c, that is negative 4ac plus b square upon 4a square. Okay. So in this way we got the x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to negative 4ac plus b square upon 4a. Okay. Now here we have to take out the square root from both the sides. So here we will say taking out square root from both sides. Okay. So here bracket square is there. So as we take out the square root, so that square will get cancelled. X plus b upon 2a is equal to, now here in the numerator binomial is there. Okay. So here the square root will be negative 4ac plus b square upon. Now denominator is perfect square. Okay. That is square root of 4 is 2 and square root of a square is a. Okay. So now we want to find out the value of x. So let's transfer this b upon 2a to the r axis. Therefore x is equal to, so here it is plus, it will become minus b upon 2a. Now here as we have to count the square root, so here we have to give the both sides, that is plus minus. Now here we will make a slight change, that is this term b square which is positive, that will write first and this negative 4ac after that. So here under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now here both have the same denominator. Okay. So let's write down the common denominator. Therefore x is equal to negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. So in this way we got the formula to solve the quadratic equation, that is x is equal to negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. So by using this formula now we have to solve the quadratic equation. Okay. So let's see some examples. So dear students, here we have the first equation, 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. This equation now we have to solve by the formula method. Okay. Now here let's compare this equation with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 to write the values of a, b, c. Okay. So here comparing with this, here a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. Okay. Now here we are knowing the formula, x is equal to negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now dear students, here you may put the value directly in this formula, or it's better to find out the value of this under root b square minus 4ac. Okay. So let's find out its value separately. So it will be easy for us to do the calculation. Okay. So here let's first find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay. Is equal to b. What is the value of b? 13. 13 square minus 4a, that is 5, and c is 8. So 13 square minus 4 ac. Okay. Now square of 13 is 169 minus, now here 4 5s are 20, 20 into 8, that is 160. Okay. So 169 minus 160, that is 9. So in this way we got the value of this b square minus 4ac, that is 9. Okay. Now let's write down the formula. So if we are going to find out this first, so here no no need to mention this formula. So first find out the value of b square minus 4ac, then write the formula. Okay. So formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now let's put the value. Minus value of b is 13. So minus 13 plus minus. Now here we have already find out the value of b square minus 4ac, that is 9. So root 9 upon 2 into a. 2 a is 5. 2 into 5. Okay. Now let's solve this. So x is equal to negative 13 plus minus 9 is a perfect square number. So its square root is 3 upon 2 5s are 10. So in this way we got x is equal to negative 13 plus minus 3 upon 10. Okay. Now here plus minus both are together. So let's separate it. So one time plus, one time minus. So x is equal to negative 13 plus 3 upon 10. Okay. Or x is equal to negative 13 minus 3 upon 10. Now let's solve this. So 13 is negative, 3 is positive. Different sign, subtraction. Okay. So 13 minus 3, that is 10 upon 10, and sign of bigger number, that is negative. So negative 10 upon 10, that is negative 1. So in this way we got the one root, that is negative 1. Okay. Now this one, 13 is negative, 3 is also negative. So same sign, addition. So 13 plus 3, that is 16, sign of bigger number upon 10. So here it is possible to reduce. So let's reduce that. So 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. So in this way we got the second root, that is negative 8 upon 5. Okay. So we got these two roots. So let's write down our last answer. So negative 1 and negative 8 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay. So in this way, by using the formula, we can solve the given quadratic equation. Let's see another example. Dear students, now we have another equation, that is 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now same way we will compare the given equation with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here comparing with the standard form, here we got the value of a as 5, b that is negative 4, and c is negative 2. Okay. So let's first find out the value of b square minus 4ac. So let's put the value here. B square, that is negative 4 square minus 4a into c. A is 5, c is negative 2. Okay, so let's solve this. Square of negative 4, that is 16 plus. Now here this is negative, this is negative. Product of same sign, positive. So here it will be plus. 4 5s are 20. 20 2s are 40. Okay, so in this way plus 40. 16 plus 40, that is 56. So in this way we got the value of b square minus 4ac as a 56. Now let's write down the formula. Dear students, in the given equation we have the variable, that is m. So here we will say m is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let's put the value of b. So here this negative is the negative sign of formula. So negative and value of b. Value of b is also negative 4. So we will write that in the bracket. So here negative in bracket negative 4 plus minus value of this b square minus 4ac is 56. So under root 56 upon 2 into a. A is 5. Okay. Now here outer bracket negative sign is there. So bracket sign will change. So here we get 4 as a positive plus minus. Now dear students, here root of 56 is there, that we have to simplify in a such a way that one of the factor is perfect square number. So here 14 4s are 56, in which 4 is a perfect square number. Okay, upon 2 5s are 10. So instead of writing 56, we have written here under root 14 into 4. Okay, now let's solve this. So here 4 plus minus, let's take out the square root of this 4, that is 2 under root 14 upon 10. Now here again 4 is there, here 2 is there. So 2 we can, from this binomial we can take out the 2 as a common. Okay. So what will you get in the bracket? 2 plus minus, this 2 is outside, so we will get the root 14 upon 10. Okay. Now here what we do, this 2 and the 2 5s are 10. We'll reduce this. Okay. So we'll get here 2 plus minus root 14 upon 5. Okay. Now here both the signs are together. So let's separate this. So here m is equal to 2 plus root 14 upon 5, or m is equal to 2 minus root 14 upon 5. So in this way we got the two roots for the given quadratic equation. The roots are 2 plus root 14 upon 5 and 2 minus root 14 upon 5. Okay. So these are the roots of given quadratic equation. So dear students, in this video we will learn the formula to solve the quadratic equation. Okay. And by using the same formula we solve some examples. I hope the examples are clear to you. Thank you.